Hey y'all, it's Adrienne. Welcome back to my channel. You guys are probably wondering where I've been. Y'all, life has just been happening once again. Oh my God, it's been a ride, let me tell you. For starters, back on January the 10th, I ended up breaking my hand here in my house. And I'll show you, this is my little cast that I have. I ended up breaking my hand like on a Sunday. I went to the doctor on a Monday, got a splint, and then ended up having surgery on the following Tuesday. Ever since then, I have really been trying to take it easy because I want this to heal properly. Unfortunately, this is like my dominant hand. It's the hand that I write with. I'm right-handed, so it's been really difficult to like do even basic stuff. Like I can't really cook like I want to. It's hard to like even get in the shower and wash myself is a challenge because I'm having to use my left hand, and then it's only, it's only one hand that I'm able to use really because I can't get this wet. This is my first time ever breaking a bone in my body. I've never broken a bone ever. So it's a new experience for me, for sure. On top of that, like I've just been having a lot of appointments lately for myself and for my kids. And then of course trying to do, as you all know, this online thing with the kids is just not, I don't know about y'all, but it's not going well. So just trying to handle and maintain all of that. So I wanted to come up here today to give you all just a quick life update and also to give you an updated townhouse tour because we've gotten some new things in here, some new furniture here and there, or new to us, some new, some brand new, some new to us. I have a couple of videos coming up because it is time for a grocery haul again. So I have a grocery haul coming up. I have a Dollar Tree haul coming up. I have a Valentine's Day video coming up. Valentine's Day is my favorite holiday of all time. And I'm really excited about Valentine's Day this year. So anyway, I'm gonna flip the camera around. All right, so this is my living room at present. Never mind the basket here. This is a laundry basket. I have ordered a bunch of stuff on Amazon. These are some chairs. I have a desk in here. I have some decorations, salt lamps, just random. This is a rug right here. I have a console table. I have a TV stand. That is a dish rack in there. These were the mattresses, the kids' mattresses. So these are in. This is like my favorite purchase thus far. It says thankful, grateful, blessed. I love the sign. This actually, I'm gonna end up painting the frame. I'm gonna paint it gold, like spray paint it probably, because it'll be quicker. And then I'm gonna hang this on this wall over here. So my console table is gonna go here, and I'm gonna get a mirror, hopefully a round mirror to go here, and I'm gonna put my little thankful, grateful, blessed sign up. I had some furniture that was donated to us, and so that's what this right here is. There's 2 lamps on the floor, this pink lamp, which is gonna go in my daughter's room, and then this white one right here, I'm not so sure about. It's a little funky looking. This chair right here, I'm planning on painting. I definitely don't like the color of this chair, but I'm gonna paint the bottom part gold instead of silver. And then I'm not exactly sure what color I'm gonna use on the chair itself, maybe white or maybe a pink to match this. This is gonna go in my daughter's room for her chair. We got a couple of pieces that I'm not planning on keeping, like basically these 3 right here. When I first got them, I was like, oh, well, maybe I could paint them gold and like paint the knobs silver and kind of give it like a luxe feel, but I don't think I'm gonna bother with it, honestly. Parts of these tables are coming up. It's basically falling apart from the bottom, I think. And then this table right here, again, I was gonna paint this, but I don't think I'm going to bother with it right now. I think I'm just going to take it to like Goodwill or something like that. These are empty boxes. Like I said, I have been ordering a ton of stuff on Amazon. And so, yeah, it's been crazy. I'm gonna go into the kitchen and show you the rest of the furniture. So we got this dining room table, and it's actually a pretty big table. You can see it underneath. It came in like 2 or 3 different pieces. And like, I think it took 2 people to put it together, actually. So the base of the table, I love. The chairs, not so much. Like one of the chairs is actually outside right now because it was like stained really bad. I thought about maybe possibly getting it reupholstered, but then I was like, by the time I spend that money, I could have just bought 4 new chairs, which is what I did. They're actually white with a brown seat, but it's like, it's not a fabric seat. It's just like completely solid wood. Still don't have a washer and dryer yet, but I'm working on that. We got a few new pieces. Like we got some more dishes. We got a crock pot. We got a nightstand. The knives are in there. I have to wash dishes, y'all, so never mind my dishes and things. And the kids came in here this morning and cooked some more dishes. In here, we got like pots and pans and some different containers and things. All right, so now I'm gonna go upstairs and show you. And I'm only gonna do my bedroom because, you know, the kids are doing their whole thing. So I'm just gonna show you my bedroom right now. That's my clothes basket. There's my vacuum cleaner. All right, so this is my room. It's pretty basic so far. I just have a bed in here. This is actually my old bed that I ended up giving to my parents before we left for Mexico, and I got it back. So these covers are just up here to dry. Like this is not how it normally looks. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4. That's like 5 or 6 covers up here. I had the blinds open, but because I'm filming, I went ahead and closed the blinds. But yeah, I have the blinds open to help dry these covers out because I washed everything last night, but these things didn't dry as well. I got a TV. Oh, and this is a queen size bed, by the way. I'm planning on doing a comforter in white. I have one that was given to me up there now. It's like a, what color is it? It's like a brownish, greenish, whatever, but I don't really like it. I love white. I'll be doing an updated master bedroom tour later on as well. But we have a TV that was given to us. I'm gonna show you my bathroom. So this is my bathroom. I have my rug up there drying because it got wet this morning out the shower. But yeah, this is how the bathroom is looking. These are some covers on the floor that I need to rewash. Oh, I have this painting as well. It's like a huge, huge, huge painting of some tulips, some red tulips. And this painting is gonna go on this wall right here. My room is gonna be pretty simple, not too cluttered or anything. This is my closet. I bought this gold door hanger from the Dollar Tree. Actually, each of us has one. My kids have one in their room as well. This is my closet so far. I don't have too much storage in here because we are getting things in, you know, bit by bit, piece by piece. But these are like bags and luggage and packing cubes, and it's my laptop bag, things like that. A little bit of clothes in here, not a whole lot. And of course my shoes on the bottom, and then I have this like storage unit that I got. So yeah, y'all, the last like couple of weeks I have really been trying to take it easy because I don't want to, like, I'm not really supposed to be lifting much with my hand, and so I've just been home. I'm actually getting ready to start driving Uber. I actually have the car already, but I haven't started just yet. I got the car yesterday, and yesterday was spent like running a bunch of errands, getting clothes washed. Today I'm planning on going grocery shopping, and hopefully either tomorrow or the next day I'm gonna start doing Uber. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing Uber for right now. It's just gonna give me more flexibility. Teenagers, that's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, I like the flexibility where I can work my own hours. I can go out anytime that I want, the day or night. So you know, I'm looking forward to that. And I've done Lyft and Uber before last year together, so this won't be like a huge departure from the norm for me. What else? I'm trying to think. I am wearing clothes actually. I don't know if you can. I have on, this is like the easiest thing that I have to put on. It's like a tube dress. It's a long floor length tube dress, but it's the easiest thing that I can put on because everything else is like so difficult. I can't even wear coats right now because the sleeves, I can't get this through the sleeves. It's like way, way too big. So they went in, fixed the fracture, and then they put 2 pins in my hand. This is nice lighting. 6 to 8 weeks healing time, unfortunately. In about 3 more weeks, I'll have the pins taken out in the doctor's office. And I'm looking forward to that because I'm ready to get this redone. This is actually bigger than the original splint that they gave me. But I know it's probably because of the pins, to make room for the pins that are in my hand. So yeah, I'm so over having my hand in the cast. I'm just really ready to get on with it. You don't realize how valuable things are, until you are not able to use them. So I'm definitely gonna start being more appreciative of my limbs and everything, because this period of not being able to use my hand has it's been eye-opening. Yeah, it's really been eye-opening. So anyway, I just wanted to come on here today to give you guys a quick update to let you know that I'm still here. I'm still planning on putting out more videos regularly. That's one of my biggest issues, is being consistent on YouTube. But I promise I'm definitely gonna get better. And definitely once my hand gets better, I'm gonna put out more videos. So in one of my last videos, you might have heard me mentioning the shelter. And yes, my children and I were homeless for about 2 months, 5 weeks of which we spent in the family shelter in Durham. And so I'm planning on doing a video talking about that. I have a lot of footage that I took while we were at the shelter. I did a day in the life as well, showing our routine and everything. So be on the lookout for that. I'm gonna try to get that uploaded between now and Friday, tomorrow. I ended up losing the footage, or at least I thought I lost the footage, because I had so many videos and clips and pictures and things in my phone. My goal was to save it to Amazon and to my Google Drive, and then I was gonna delete pictures from my phone so that I could continue recording other videos. And for 3 or 4 days, a lot of that footage was lost, but thank God I ended up finding it and have re-downloaded it to my phone. So later on today, probably I'm gonna finish editing that video, and it might be one video, it might be 2 or 3 parts. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how much footage it actually is that I have. I am going to be doing a grocery haul very soon. I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree run very soon, and I'm going to be doing some Valentine's Day decorations as well. I'm gonna be doing some Super Bowl stuff as well, maybe a Super Bowl party decorations type thing. So be on the lookout for that. And what else? I think that's it. So yeah, thanks for watching. I just wanted to again give you guys a quick update. Thanks for watching. Thanks for rocking with me. You guys showed me so much love on my grocery haul video for Costco, my Costco grocery haul video. I want to say thank you, everyone who watched and who commented. I really appreciate it. And stay tuned for more videos from me. Bye. Oh, I forgot to mention, it snowed today. I woke up this morning and there was snow out on the ground. You don't see it as much now. The sun's been out for a while, so it's pretty much all melted, unfortunately. But yeah, it snowed today.